Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I am going to show you why is your BOSE A30 headset Aviation headset so quiet. These headphones are some kind of tricky, because here we do have, as you can see, one slider for the volume and here the second. Try clicking this plus button, this is minus plus button here, to increase the volume level to the 100% on the control panel, and set these sliders to the maximum over here, like that. It should fix your problem. If it didn't fix your problem, do a hard reset. If the hard reset didn't fix your problem, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. That's it, I hope it helps you and goodbye, have a nice day.